Ki Kubur ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Finance Commissioner.
Yeah.
Kalsyong suk syong san la kalong hakano kaliang menta hapo rilum garo bat kham tam e William Nagar kabahap hapo is Garo Hills District haba phai den chigi por minshwa menta la pher bak le bang haba Nujor bat menta nama bagi pat ba kim don sho haga jing syong sir bagi kampen roy menta kelas dang toit ba ka kenhon ginang thok khobor hapo ka jingalam ko Office Director Information and Public Relations Shillong Kalit jurep ya ki katto kat nigi scheme penroy ha is Garo Hills ne ke sngi hat majai kinthop hayo Nongtrei ka jingking doi ha chiso bibra ka Patagal Memorial Park bat ka Fish Sanctuary haneng Mandalgre is Garo Hills haga nigi jinglai ka kinhun ginang thok khubor la yo banle jingo ik babon ki benta ban sakhi ka roi ka par ki ban long ka jingmin toy ki pat ba na shoshnong jangga district Haga nigi sngi kinhon ginang thok khubor lai kanduru Deputy Commissioner is Garo Hills Ubishwar Agarwal ubla penpau ka jing sngongu yaga kinhon banwan jingo yaki is Garo Hills khamtam namar kadang Duna ginang thok khubor ban penpau yaki scheme penroi baka sarkar la wanra na benta ki padba Shosho uloang baka district kadang Duna tada Nujor bat Kiwei ki district namar dang Duna ki Nongtrei ni ka jingdan ki Nongtrei ki Tbit haki office hendu kermen kanwan ra ka jingkella haki number 1 yaga district
So I would like to start by first welcoming the press tour that is happening in East Garo Hills district. It's a very good initiative that will further showcase a lot of good works that are being done by the government and administration to the people. It not only creates an impression of the work that is being done, but at the same time it also creates a vision among the minds of people. If there is a good work being done at one place, obviously the people will get ideas for further works which can be replicated in various other places also. So it is not just a showcasing of past works, it's also a vision for the future works also. So it's a very welcome step, and I think these good works should be highlighted. As the press tour team that has come here was briefing, they have visited various places including Mandalgre Fish Sanctuary, which was again very path-breaking work, which was done as per collaboration of different departments. Different departments had come together and made it into a tourist site. So Mandalgre village, which was once infested from insurgency, was converted into a very famous tourist site of East Garo Hills. Similarly, the team went to Chiso Bibra Park. Obviously, the park is also a very significant space for the entire Garo Hills. It's a part of the Nongtrei Memorial Park. So there are already works, already proposals are there with the department, with the Art and Culture department, and soon the plan is there to revamp the parks as well. So I think that should also be coming up soon in a couple of years. Already there is one museum dedicated to Shri Patagal Nongtrei, which is already come up in William Nagar town and will soon be activated. So that is there. Obviously, there are a lot of projects which are being initiated by the government, and subsequently we will invite the press to team further to cover these projects also. So there is a convergence project which is being currently taken into effect in the Children's Park in William Nagar. A proposal is being made for revamping the Captain Williamson Park. So, and a lot of town planning meetings have already happened to convert the William Nagar town, which is already a very well planned town, into a proper space with walking, with amenities for people, with proper planning. So all these works are being done, and we will be inviting the press to further showcase as and when after these works take place. Our situation wise, East Garo Hills is very peaceful. It's very nice. There are so far in my past tenure of 1.5 years, we have not encountered any major issues, and I'm very hopeful that no such issues will be coming up in the future as well. Yes. So that is the long back thing. So now there is no such a major news of it. So far it's fine.